Hi, this is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's on how to manage your Google profile visibility. I'm going to show you there's a setting inside your Google settings to help you not let people see certain things or let people see things for your personal information. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Before we get started though, hit the like on the video, it really helps with our channel. Also hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any videos I come out with every Thursday. Keep checking back every Thursday. No matter what's going on, I'm going to always 100% so far of putting one out on Thursday, so you can learn something every Thursday. All right, let's get this started. I'm on my Windows computer, and I'm going to go to my Chrome. This is not on the app. This is on the actual website. So you're going to go your Google Chrome browser. Once you're in there, you're going to open a tab. We'll go over here. Doop. Okay, so now once you have your tab open, make sure you're signed into your correct Google account. If you go up to the top right, you're going to see your name and you're going to click on your face. That's what you're going to do. Well, it's not really your name, it's your face. And at the very top, it's very simple. You just want to go down to under your name. You can go to manage your Google account. We're going to click on that. And then once you open up your Google account, we're going to be hunting for on the left side. Now, I wrote an article on this. I'll put a link down below for you. But I noticed that they changed where this setting is. So we're going to learn where it is today. I found out where it was. I had to relook for it. It was on my article under data and privacy. Not this time. It's under people and sharing. That's right. You're going to click on people and sharing on the left side menu. And click on that. And once you do that, it's going to pick this screen up for you. And you're going to look, scroll until you find, here it is. Choose what others see. That's what we're looking for. Now, if you couldn't find it, it's an about me thing. You can always type about me. It'll just show you where it is. But we're going to click on this. It says what personal info you make visible to others across Google services. So you can click on that. And this screen will appear. So it's showing you what it's letting people see. Manage your personal info and control who can see it when you use your main Google account profile across Google services. So this means the lock means only you can see it. The two people right there, anyone can see it. So basic info, my name, which is obviously not my real name, but it's my name. So everybody can see that. So if I'm on anything, if you click on it, it's going to take you in here. You can give yourself a nickname, so that shows. You can always, so there's things you can do, but that one's always going to be shown because they need that for when you're logged into things with your Google account, so they have a name. So that's not going to be able to be locked. Your profile picture, same thing. It's got to be on there somehow. So any profile picture, if you want to change it to just your own picture, you can change your picture to something that's not your face. I have my face. That's what I like to do. So that's what you can do on that one. Gender, you can always change this. It's locked right now, so no one else can see that. If you click on that, you can change it to whatever you want. And then you can say anyone. I have it on only you, which is fine, and you can do either one. You just click on it and it will change it for you. Now we'll go back, and then you're going to see the birthday, which I'm not showing you. It's blurred, but you can change that too. If you want to put a fake birthday, well, I don't know if you can do that. Maybe you can. Only you can see it or not. You can change it. No, you can't change it. You can probably change your birthday, but you can say only you or anyone can see your birthday. If you scroll down a little bit, they have other options in here, your contact information, which everybody can see because they have to have your Gmail account as your contact. So if because when you log into websites and stuff, it uses that to communicate with you. That's what that's about. And then if you want to add more information, if you like sharing, you can add more information by places, links, and stuff. You can add those, work and education. But the main one is to let you know that you can unblock your gender, and they should give you more options where you can block your name and from everybody else. Now, if the website you give permission, that's fine. But that's how you can go in here and kind of manage your Google, your Google, if I can remember, your Google profile visibility. That's what this is about. But that's where it is. It is hidden here, and you can just mess around in here and see what you can do. Also, so like I said, it's now under people and sharing, not data and privacy. I think that's what I had in my article. So that's easy. It's really that easy. So thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Make sure to check out davescomputertips.com. That's where all our articles are. And also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.